Hello everyone, I'm Franco Silvestri from Argentina. I'm 15 and this is my project for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Here we are in the default root of the website that shows all most recent posts from all users. In this case, as I am in all post section, if I click here, it takes us back here again. We can also see that only 10 posts are shown. But if there are more than 10 posts, a navigation bar like this one will appear. So for example, if I want to see the next 10 posts, I click the next button and so forth. And I can also see the 10 previous ones. Here we are. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new post. In order to do that, we have to log in first. So I fill the form and log in. Once we are logged in this case as Fran Silvestri, we should be able to create a new post here. So hello world, for example, then share. So then we'll see that our new post appears. I'm also going to show you how to edit a post of my own. For example, this one. So that's it. If I refresh the page, you'll see that it's still the same. And now I proceed to show you the like and unlike functionality with few examples. And you'll see that likes count changes. There it is. And I can like or unlike a few more. Still the same. There we go. Now I'm going to show you the profile page. In this case, mine. And we can see all the details about it. For example, the post count, as well the followers and the following, and all the posts that the user has made. As it is my user, I won't be able to see a follow or unfollow button. So that's correct, because I cannot follow myself. And now it's time to show you the last part of the project, that it is the following section. So in this case, we are following only one person, that it is Douglas. So we can see that Douglas has made only 2 posts. Here we can see. And if I unfollow it, I'll see that I won't be able to see any posts anymore. Because now I'm not following anyone. And now we'll try with somebody else. For example, Peter. We follow Peter. And now we'll see this post in the following section. There it is. Of course, if I'm not logged in, I won't be able to see that following section again, because it will redirect me right here. So this was my project 4. Thank you for watching.